Most drivers don't know that over 70% of U.S. gasoline lacks enough cleaning additives to protect engines, causing carbon buildup and power loss. Cheap gas leads to costly repairs later. In this video, we'll expose 11 gas brands to avoid and 5 that truly protect your engine, saving you money and keeping your car strong. 11. Safeway gasoline. Safeway gas may seem affordable, but the quality often disappoints. Many drivers report rough idling, loss of power, and check engine lights after using it. Independent tests reveal its detergent levels are below manufacturer recommendations, causing carbon buildup in engines. Over time, this leads to blackened spark plugs, sticky valves, and poor performance. Safeway fuel is also not top-tier certified, meaning it lacks the cleaning agents your engine needs. The small savings at the pump often result in expensive long-term repairs and decreased fuel efficiency. 10. 7-Eleven gas. Despite being a popular brand, 7-Eleven doesn't refine its own fuel. It buys from various local suppliers, leading to inconsistent quality. Some drivers experience engine knocking, sluggish performance, or reduced mileage after refueling. Inspectors have found sediment and water contamination in several locations, sometimes forcing shutdowns. Because quality depends on the supplier, one station might sell decent gas, while another offers low-grade fuel. The lack of control over sourcing makes 7-Eleven a risky option for engines that require stable, clean, and well-balanced gasoline. 9. Sam's Club gasoline. Sam's Club stations offer low prices, but inconsistent fuel quality. Their gas comes from multiple suppliers, which means detergent levels and purity vary widely. Many drivers report clogged filters and rough starts after using it for extended periods. Moisture and sediment from poorly maintained storage tanks can worsen engine wear. Like Safeway, Sam's Club fuel isn't top-tier certified, so it only meets basic standards. What seems like a budget-friendly choice can slowly damage injectors, fuel pumps, and engine components, costing more in maintenance later. 8. Circle K gasoline. Circle K's modern look hides unpredictable fuel quality. Since the company doesn't refine its own gas, it buys whatever is cheapest in bulk, often without consistent detergent levels. Mechanics frequently find carbon buildup, sticky injectors, and misfires in vehicles that use Circle K fuel regularly. Some stations have even been fined for selling water-contaminated gas after heavy rain. These impurities can stall engines and corrode components. Filling up at Circle K is essentially gambling with your vehicle's performance and long-term health for the sake of convenience. 7. Murphy USA. Murphy USA, often located near Walmart, attracts drivers with low prices, but that discount comes at a cost. Their gas frequently lacks proper detergent additives and has inconsistent ethanol levels. Mechanics often encounter cars with sputtering engines, rough idling, and damaged injectors linked to Murphy fuel. Several locations have been investigated for contaminated gas that caused vehicles to stall. The company's focus on cutting prices instead of maintaining quality standards makes their fuel unreliable and potentially harmful for engines, especially over time and repeated use. 6. Speedway gasoline. Speedway stations may appear professional, but their fuel is sourced from various local suppliers, leading to uneven quality. Some batches contain excess moisture or insufficient detergents, causing carbon buildup and sluggish throttle response. In some cases, Speedway was caught selling fuel mixed with rainwater, which can lead to rust and pump damage. The brand also lacks top-tier certification, so their performance claims don't match reality. Regular use of Speedway gas can gradually wear down vital engine components and reduce long-term performance reliability. 5. Love's Travel Stops. Love's Travel Stops are popular with long-distance drivers, but their fuel often suffers from contamination and poor storage maintenance. With hundreds of locations, Keeping tanks clean everywhere is difficult, leading to moisture and bacterial growth. Mechanics frequently find cloudy fuel from loves, which clogs filters and damages injectors. Some drivers even report stalls after refueling. Since Love's isn't top-tier certified, there's no guarantee of quality detergents. While convenient for travel, Love's gas can shorten your engine's life due to inconsistent upkeep and contamination issues. 4. Amoco carries an old reputation for quality, but since BP revived the brand, the fuel hasn't lived up to its legacy. Today, it's essentially BP's regular blend with weaker detergents and less protection for modern engines. Drivers have reported carbon buildup, reduced mileage, and sluggish acceleration. Some stations also use outdated storage tanks that allow moisture seepage. Not all locations are top-tier certified either. Despite its premium image, Amoco fuel often fails to deliver the cleanliness and performance modern vehicles need for long-term efficiency. 3. Pilot Flying J Pilot. Flying J serves thousands of travelers daily, but its record for fuel quality is uneven. The company has faced scandals and numerous complaints about engine knocking and loss of power. Tests have revealed water and heavy sediment contamination at multiple sites, indicating poor tank maintenance. Such fuel can corrode injectors and fuel systems over time. While Pilot offers convenience for long hauls, drivers risk filling up with substandard gas that compromises performance and durability. Cheap and accessible doesn't always mean safe or dependable for your engine. 2. Sunoco Regular Grade. Sunoco's reputation for racing excellence doesn't extend to its regular grade gas. Mechanics often find cars using it have knocking issues, dirty valves, and sluggish performance. Consumer tests show the detergent content in its lower-tier fuel is below recommended levels, causing carbon residue to build up. Some stations have been fined for selling off-spec ethanol blends and contaminated fuel. While Sunoco's premium blends are strong, its regular grade lacks the protection modern engines need. For everyday driving, it's better to choose a cleaner, more consistent brand. 1. Companies selling contaminated or waste fuel. The worst offenders are companies that illegally sell industrial waste as fuel. Distributors like Lamb Fuels have been caught blending solvents, used oil, and chemical byproducts into gasoline to save money. Such toxic mixtures destroy engines, clog filters, and cause total mechanical failure in a single tank. The EPA has fined several for endangering consumers. These sellers put profits above safety, risking drivers' lives and vehicles. Always choose certified trusted fuel stations because one tank of contaminated gas can lead to thousands in engine damage. 5 gasoline brands that actually protect your engine. 5. Chevron with Techron. Chevron's Techron fuel is among the best for maintaining engine health. Packed with strong detergents, it actively cleans carbon buildup and prevents new deposits from forming. Mechanics often find engines running on Chevron fuel cleaner, smoother and more efficient even after 150,000 miles. It's fully top-tier certified, meeting the highest automaker standards. While slightly more expensive, it improves fuel economy, throttle response, and longevity. Think of Techron as a long-term engine protector that saves money on future maintenance by keeping internal components spotless and well lubricated. 4. Shell gasoline. Shell gasoline is known for its nitrogen-enriched cleaning formula that shields engine parts from harmful deposits. This protective barrier helps maintain smooth idling, strong acceleration, and clean combustion. Every Shell station adheres to top-tier standards, ensuring consistent quality nationwide. Drivers often notice better throttle response and fewer performance issues after regular use. Although it costs a bit more, the benefits outweigh the price. Shell's focus on stability and reliability makes it one of the safest, most trusted fuels for long-term engine performance and cleanliness. 3. ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil's Synergy fuel is built with advanced detergents that clean carbon deposits and prevent corrosion inside the engine. Even their regular grade gasoline meets top-tier standards, guaranteeing dependable quality. Mechanics frequently observe engines using ExxonMobil fuel staying cleaner and performing longer without major buildup. The consistency across all stations means you always get the same high-quality mix. Drivers benefit from improved combustion, fuel economy, and reduced wear. It's not flashy, it's simply reliable, tested, and proven to protect your vehicle under all driving conditions for years. 2. Costco gasoline. Costco surprises many with its combination of affordability and quality. Despite lower prices, it meets strict top-tier certification standards and often contains more detergents than some expensive brands. Costco's rapid fuel turnover ensures freshness, and their clean storage tanks prevent contamination. Mechanics frequently find that vehicles running on Costco gas have minimal injector or valve deposits. It offers premium protection at a fair price, proving that good fuel doesn't have to be costly. Costco is an ideal choice for drivers seeking value and reliability together. 1. BP/Amoco Ultimate. BP's Amoco Ultimate Fuel is designed to clean as it powers your engine, offering one of the most concentrated detergent formulas available. It removes existing carbon buildup while preventing new deposits, resulting in smoother acceleration and better mileage. The fuel is top-tier, certified, and proven to keep engines up to 60% cleaner than standard gas. Drivers who switch often notice improved performance within weeks. Though slightly pricier, Amoco Ultimate provides superior protection, efficiency, and longevity, making it a smart investment for anyone who values lasting engine health. Now you know which gas brands to trust. Don't just chase cheap prices, choose top-tier fuel for smoother performance, fewer repairs, and better mileage. Paying a few extra cents per gallon saves big in the long run. Drive smart, keep your engine clean, and share these car-saving tips with your friends.